Now I would like to have the pleasure of inviting Mr.Harshana Maduranga, Centre Head, Kingsway Language Centre Nattandiya branch, to formally welcome the gathering.
ප්‍රවීණ ඉංග්‍රීසි දේශක හර්ෂණ මදුරංග මැතිතුමනි, ඔබතුමන්ට ආරාධනාව පිළිගැනීමේ කතාව පවත්වන්නට.
Venerable Mahasangha, Mr. Jayatissa Atavadhetti, my teacher, Director of Kinsway Language Centre, Deshabandhu Dr. Krishanta Disanayaka, Peace Ambassador of Sri Lanka, International Human Rights Commission, Founder, Chairman, Director General of Sri Lanka of Free Hela Cultural Collaboration, Foundation Presidential Communication, Award-winning Counselor in Drug Prevention and Rehabilitation. Mr. Tariq Khan, Head of Cambridge English, Manager Exams, Sri Lanka, Trainer, Cambridge English. Mr. S.K. Tisera, Chilao Group Correspondent of Associated Newspapers of Ceylon Limited. Very supportive teacher Suresh Balasuriya, Vajira Kakulathudua, Saumya Gunasekara, Sadhuni Tarika, Dangodua branch teacher Ilakshi, Sandupama, dear parents, loving children and colleagues. First of all, I welcome you all for this great opportunity. I am here to speak to you with full of joy and decent proud today. There are a lot of reasons for it. I'll mention a few of them. We've been chosen as a key exam preparation center of Sri Lanka by University of Cambridge. I can prove that with a lot of evidence. So far, we've sent over 7,000 candidates to the Cambridge mains examinations, especially with TKD, and almost all the students passed those exams with flying colors. Plans are underway to open our branches of some foreign countries. We have highly qualified teachers to provide quality education to our children. Ours is the exam preparation center with lowest exam fees of Sri Lanka. Dear parents, guests, loving children and others, though I have a lot to tell you about our performance, I am not going to talk at length. Before I conclude my speech, I must tell you something about our Nattandiya branch. Among the other branches of the institutes, this branch has performed well the exam which was held in April this year. I would like to thank Ms. Saumya Gunasekara and my students, Sandhuni Tarika, for their dedication to achieving this. And last but not least, my dear teacher, Jayatissa Atavadhetti. Thank you. Thank you all.